Hey YouTube, we're going with a bit of a Christmas vibe in this one. You might be able to guess it's the unboxing of the MN82s, and yeah, so we'll have a unboxing and quick comparison to some of its predecessors, and hope you have a good Christmas day and have a very good New Year. So we'll get on with the boxing and our unboxing even, and we'll have a close look. So let's get into the box and let's see what we've got. Fairly sure it's probably just a sort of body upgrade on this. Maybe with the electrics from the MN82 Pro. Got some heft to it. As is normal, sort of on the box it shows you the optional upgrade parts, sort of a bit of box art, typical don't eat batteries. The box has been a bit damaged. The sort of grey silver one, yeah. And I think they might be hinting to a different body with the sort of tray back like what you get in Australia. So. Let's have a look at this little beast. Yeah, so the compartments open up in the back. It's a nice matte black finish. And this one actually comes with an uprated battery, which I think they should have done on the Pro version. So this comes with a 1200 milliamp. Yeah, that's a really nice matte black body on that. Got the rear lights as well. Power switch is underneath. Got a sort of standard scale interior. I do like the fact it comes with the ball bars. Yeah, let's move the camera down and get a better look. But before I do, so we get the decals. Half those aren't, half the body ones won't apply. It does come with the stickers for the rear lights and the indicators, which are behind the ball bars. Nice little Land Cruiser sticker there. Yeah, so a few more decals than the last one. Instruction manual. Yeah, you can remove this back and make it basically a flatbed back there. but I think really the whole point of buying this, because you could 3D print a flatbed at the back, the whole point is for the camper style type body, or the adventure style body. So, and then we get the roof rack. That'll be the headache bar for when it's got the camper style body on. And come back here, the Pro's got a mind of its own. And there's your little USB charger and the accessories to go on the back there. I won't put them on just yet because I want to change the colour of them, so I'm going to spray them probably on the board and then unclip it from there. But yeah, so these little bits that go on the back here and on the side there, they're going to get a colour change. And we've still got more. You know, all of them ends are alive today. Not entirely sure what that is. Some sort of warranty sticker maybe. And then we've got the accessories for the cab. They won't apply because they're for the pickup back. Actual wipers. And then we've got the little chrome bits. And the mirror holders and the little aerial for the front. Lights, door handles. And let's get bring you down and get a bit closer into it. Yeah, got some batteries in the remote. Don't need a screwdriver for change, that's nice. Yeah, just 2 AA's. No, Batman's going for it. Got a little bit of suspension on it. Yeah, good old setup. Leaf spring and coil spring underneath. Adjustable shocks. You can sort of wind them collars down to stiffen up the back end a little bit. Plastic drive shafts, 4-link up front. Yeah, all pretty standard underneath. If you remove the body and then remove some of the other screws, then that'll give you access to this, but there's already a few videos on that. Spare wheel on the back. So, yeah, it's I'm kind of really liking that one actually. Probably be nice with like a grey interior or something. Let's get the accessories on. Okay, so we've got all the decals on, maybe not the straightest, but I managed to find a couple of number plates from an FMS model that was left over. I think that looks pretty awesome. I will be putting a driver in there at some point and painting up the interior, but for now I have to be. Number plates definitely go a long way to making it look a bit more realistic. Probably have to paint up the wheels at some point, knowing me. So control on, roll on. So we have lights on and off, hazard lights, brake lights, reverse lights. So it is forward brake reverse. No drag brake in that gear. There is a drag brake in that gear. Yeah, it's an electronically, tyre's a bit out of shape, but that'll come back. It's an electronically restricted 2-speed. So first gear doesn't give you more torque, it actually has half the torque of second gear. But it does give you a drag brake, so you kind of want second gear for climbing and first gear for downhill, because it's an electronic sort of restricted 2-speed rather than a mechanical 2-speed. But as for modulation, we are in second at the moment. That's pretty decent. Bit usually is with MN, to be fair. Okay, so I'm moving to sticker sheet. And I've just knocked Batman off his perch. And first speed. First speed's still decent for torque. But yeah, I've got to say this black looks epic in the flesh. I'm sort of not sure what colour to go with these yet, but they certainly will be a different colour. But yeah, this is the new MN82s. It's basically a pro edition with a nice camper body on the back, or adventure body on the back, and the electronics are every bit as good as you'd expect from MN these days. Their old electronics were dreadful, but the current ones seem to have got it nailed. Fortunately, we do have indicators, but they're not too in your face. shall hopefully get some trail video of this soon, and maybe try and get some of its brothers out with it. Obviously that's the 82s, and then right over the back here we've got the Pro, and then we've got one of the original MN82s, sort of the red and yellow ones. Obviously if I don't pull the trigger. And then we've also got one of my custom builds based on the MN82. This one's got upgraded ESC and sort of winch control and so on. Probably seen in the beginning that the roof beacons work and stuff. But yeah, that is the current lineup for the MN model or MN82 models. I suspect that there's another iteration or two to come maybe. But yeah, we've got the originals, the Pro and the 82s, which I've got to say I'm really liking. I think it is exactly the same underneath. Feels like about the same motor and stuff. The electronics might be slightly improved. I'm not sure if they're waterproof or not. I wouldn't risk it. Not without giving them some conformal coating or spraying them with plasti dip or something along those lines, or nail polish. But yeah, so hopefully the unboxing was some good, and maybe gives you some ideas for the sort of Christmas money pot. And sort of hope you have a very good Christmas. And I'll catch you next time. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the MN82s there. Have a very good Christmas and a good New Year. And have a very happy 2025. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.